Imagine designing the perfect electrode pad, only to find out it's nearly impossible to manufacture at scale. While functionality is key, the real challenge often lies in making sure your design can actually be produced efficiently and reliably. In this video, we'll cover what electrode pads are used for, important tips for designing and manufacturing them, and how to take the first steps toward a successful production process. Electrode pads are used in a variety of medical and therapeutic applications to deliver mild electrical currents through the skin. These currents help stimulate muscles, often relieving pain in areas like joints or muscles, and they're commonly used in physical therapy, sports recovery, and long-term treatment for chronic conditions. The pad sits on the skin, sending electrical signals that cause muscles to gently contract and relax, which can reduce pain or improve circulation in the targeted area. When it comes to manufacturing and designing electrode pads, there are several important things to keep in mind. First, who the product is for plays a big role. Different age groups and medical conditions affect how the skin responds to adhesives. For example, newborns and older adults often have very delicate skin, which means the adhesive must be extra gentle. In these cases, using a silicone-based adhesive may be more appropriate than acrylic. Next, pricing is another big factor. Silicone adhesives can cost 2 to 3 times more than acrylics, but the choice should be based on the user's needs and the overall experience. Working with a converter can help balance the right materials with your budget. Our last tip is making sure your materials are compatible with your specifications and tolerances. Even if you have a great electrode pad design, its success still depends on how easily it can be manufactured. Working with a flexible material converter can help you plan for things like die-cut tolerances and whether production needs to happen in a clean room. For example, materials like conductive hydrogel can be harder to cut precisely due to their softness and thickness. A converter will help identify what tolerances are possible on press. If you're ready to move from design to production, the best way to start is by talking to a flexible material converter. They'll help you think through everything from material selection to how the product will scale over time. Working with an experienced converter ensures that your design doesn't just look good on paper. It can be manufactured efficiently, cleanly, and to the quality standards your product demands. If you want to learn more about converting, feel free to visit our Learning Center or reach out to us directly. Thanks for watching.